Are you getting this Stremio error message in your system? If yes, then watch this video till the end because I am going to give you the best solution. The first step is to open Stremio as an administrator. So simply right click here and click on this option, run as administrator. After opening Stremio app, you need to go to the settings. Before that, make sure to log into your Stremio account. Press on this settings option, then click on this journal option and you need to scroll down a bit. Click on this clear local storage option and it will clear your system storage of Stremio app. Then after you need to press Windows and R and open this run command. Here you need to enter percentage %8 beta percentage and open this. Herein you need to look for Stremio app. Open this Stremio app. Now click on stremio-server and delete everything in this folder. Right click here simply and delete everything. Now in Stremio app you need to configure add-ons. You can see there's an add-ons option showing here. You can see this and just tap on this add-ons option, and after that you need to look for some specific add-ons. You can click on this community add-ons and you can see there's a configure option. If you are facing a problem with any specific add-on, just tap on this configure option and the problem will be fixed for that specific add-on. Now you need to click on this my add-on option and herein you need to disable or uninstall the specific add-on. If you have excessive add-ons and if you are not using anything, you can simply go here and click on, you can see uninstall is showing here. So in my add-ons you can uninstall specific add-ons which you are not using. Just tap on this and you can uninstall add-ons from here. Now you need to again go to the settings option and you need to go to the advanced option. You need to scroll down. You can see advanced is showing here. Hardware accelerator decoding is showing turned off. Just turn this option on, that's it. Make sure to disable your antivirus and VPN temporarily because they may also cause this issue. So now you need to open task manager. Right click at the bottom, click on task manager and open this. In processes you can see Stremio is running. Just tap on this Stremio option first and you need to click on end task. And the last option, if nothing works, you can uninstall Stremio from your system and reinstall it once again. You need to open control panel to uninstall Stremio. Click on uninstall a program. Herein you need to look for this Stremio, select this and click on this uninstall. Now you need to open google.com and type in Stremio download. Make sure to download it from the stremio.com website only. Make sure to not install it from any external website and download it from here only. And after downloading it, make sure to restart your PC and restart everything and see whether this resolve this issue or not. In case you still face any problem, you can mention it in the comment section and make sure to give a reply. And if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.